waiting for that second chance, for break that make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, a beautiful release. Memory seeps from my face. Let me be empty and waitress and maybe and find some peace tonight in the arms of an angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel, in the endlessness that you feel. You are part from the wreckage of your sunlight will be real. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort. So tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn is budget and things at your back, and stones keeps on drifting. You keep on building the life that you make up for love that you lack. It no make no difference. Escaping one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness. Oh, this curious madness that brings me to my knees in the arms of an angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel, in the endlessness that you feel. You are part from the wreckage of your